Hey guys, this is Lilly, and today we're in Minecraft, but it's just showing me because it's on the phone, and we can't record it like on the computer.
Okay.
So
You want to show them?
this is my house.
And what's that?
This is too fast. That's too fast.
Go to controls.
Is that one it?
Yeah. Press circle. Never mind. Sorry. Go to settings. That one. Oh, that one. Game options. Game sensitivity. Down, 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 down. Down. That one. And you go this way.
Slow.
That is probably good. Alright, do you want to show your fridge? Or, sorry. That thing right there. So what is that?
This is my. I'm just gonna.
What's this thing that's sitting right there? What's that?
This?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Is it a fridge?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
I placed two thingies and a door.
Mm-hmm. Can you put stuff inside it?
Yep.
Can I see?
I can throw things.
Can you put stuff in your fridge?
Yep.
Like what?
Like food
Really?
and things that you can drink.
Like a dragon head too?
Is that a dragon
Yeah, it's the ender dragon. That one.
head? This? No, is this a dragon head?
That's a chorus fruit. Apples. That's really cool. Do you want to say bye?
Bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Bye.